Hello, good day. My name is Mark Gabriel B. Cuenta, and I am going to show and present the experiment 1 for ECA 108-4L, or the signals lab, the experiment 1. So it is just a recap on what I did in this school last meeting. So uh, let's move on. So for the activity number 1, the familiarization of with the MATLAB. So I got my introduction, discussion, interpretation of results, and also the conclusion. So let's start with the familiarization. So yun. So for the what do you call this? Oh yeah, for the exercise. Ano ulit yun? Navigator code text. Yan, text muna tayo. So yan, let's start. Exercises. Pero ba bold? Yun. Exercises. So for the number one, for the one is evaluate the following expression. So for A is 1.01491479 plus 38.37. Ay, hindi. Ayan. A na lang. Ayan. For A. So, the syntax we will use for A is, yan, 1.01479 plus 38.37 times 10 dot raised to negative 3 times 91.357 times 10 negative 4. So let's run. Ngik. Ito. Yeah. So the answer for the number one problem is 0.022 as shown here. So letter B. For letter B is 5 raised to the square root square SQR SQRT is simplified version of square root. So 5 times pi or pi over 4. Yeah. So let's run. As you can see, as 4.9268. Next, letter C is so for this equation, we will separate them by letter A, B, and C. A is equals to the value of the VREP is 8.28. B is the value for the T 0.145, and C is the value for the V swing naman 1.35. Yan. Now, so ang hinahanap natin is yung VIL. So VIL is equals to let's copy copy and apply the equation. So vrep is A plus B times A cosh. A cosh is equivalent to inverse cosine. A cosh C over 2I over parenthesis of 2 times P. Yan. Then minus 1. So let's see. So the answer is yes. 8.5657. Oh, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is a series of matrices. So let's try to define the matrices. So the syntax for this is x equals to bracket 5 space 1 space 3 space negative 1. For as a representation of the matrices, we will use the semicolon to separate the rows, separate each rows. Yun na lang. Semicolon, the next row is negative 4, negative 2, negative 3, and 2. Next row is 11, 6, 4, and negative 2. Then last row is 4, negative 3, 0, negative 3. Yeah. For divine naman is 2, 1, 9, negative 1, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, and last row 2, 2, negative 2, 2, negative 2, negative 3. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, we will see the same value for the matrices in the MATLAB application. Moving on to the next one. Oh, oh, I forgot the Z. So let's add Z. So let's just repeat them again. 5, 5, 9, negative 1, 6, semicolon, 1, 0, 0, negative 4, 3, then semicolon, 9, 8, 3, negative 1. Last row, 5, 2, 78. Yeah, yeah. Next is, ano to? 2A, 2.A. Yeah. 2.A naman is x, q is equals to x plus y. So 2A, so add lang natin siya. So q equals to x plus y. Oh, not lowercase. I, so, unrecognized kasi wala tayong value of x. Capital X. Kasi ang lalagay natin dito sa number 2 kanina is yung small x. So, palitan na natin para gumana. Yan. Gagana na siya. Yes. So, ito na yung value niya. Same with the MATLAB or in my experiment in the classroom. So, next to point B. So S is equals to X dot times Z. Yan. Run natin siya ulit. Yan. Same lang na value nung dito sa report with the MATLAB representation. To 2.C. Wait lang. So again, for the C naman is yon 2.C. 2.C is the R equals to Z dot over Y. Oh, invalid. Kasi dapat kita yan. Eh, no space. Yon. Dapat pala walang space kapag may dot. So, ganun. So, yan. Yan. Same lang din ng nakuha ko last meeting. Next, 2.T. Ito naman is T. T is equals to parenthesis of X times Y that raised to 2. Yan. Same lang din nung kanina. Or same lang din nung ginawa ko nung experiment. So for 2.0 naman, U is equals to the bracket X parenthesis colon 2. Yan. Y 2 2. Yan. Yan. So, for the E, same lang din na nakuha ko last meeting. Yan. So, 2.F naman, yon. V is equals to all third row of Q, S, X, and Z. So, gagawin natin is V is equals to, yan, bracket, then Q, then parenthesis, 3, then semicolon. So, baliktad lang siya nung sa E, which is mauna yung semicolon, then 2. Or X is equals to semicolon, then Y is equals to 2. Ngayon naman, dito sa F, is 3. 3 naman, yung S equals to X. Then, yung Y naman natin is yung colon pala. So, next, yung sa ano naman, S. Oh, dapat pala semicolon to. Yun, pala colon siya. Kasi baliktad. Para mag-end. So, yan, similar din siya. Sa nakuha kong problem nung nakaraan, last time. 2F. Next is number 3. 3 naman, the atmospheric pressure P at H miles above sea level leads to the equation Ln minus Ln 28.5 or zero point 0.5 equals to negative 2.82 H. What is the atmospheric pressure at 8 miles above sea level? So we will use the syntax for the number 3 is equals to P equals to the ex exponent exponential of negative 2.82 times 8 times the 28.5. Yeah. We will get P is equals to 4.5411 e raised to negative 9, 0, 9. So yan. So for number 4, uh, A, A. So, ang gamit natin sa 4 naman is we will use the sims x to define x. So, expand x plus 4 times x minus 3 times x minus 5 and times 2 x minus 4. So we should get the answer. So we will get the answer, the x x raised to 4 minus 8x minus raised to 3 minus x squared plus 128x minus 240. We get by multiplying the polynomial expression. So, yun yung nakuha natin answer. So, kita ba ako? Ay, yan. Para kato ako. So, yun naman. So, for letter B naman, B is, yun lang, same lang din. Or, yeah, same lang. Sims X. Ayan, expand. X minus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 5 ay, times x plus 5. Yan. Yan. Nakuha natin is x raised to 4 minus 34 x squared plus 2 to 5. So, tama. Then, moving on to the number 5. Ay, 5. Yan. Number 5 naman, expand the expression below using the partial fraction equation. So, by applying this, we will use, again, the sims x, or s, rather, kasi s yung ginamit niya as, yan. So, sims s, x is equals to, yung x natin is yung numerator natin, which is 3 times s dot squared raised to 3 plus 3 times s dot raised to 2 minus 2 times s plus 4. Tapos yung y naman natin is equals to the denominator, wherein s plus 2 times s minus 6 times s minus 3. So hs is equals to partial fraction. Yeah, partial fraction of x over y. Yeah. Oops. Fix. Yan. Okay. Yan. The answer is 187 over 6 times, ito, 6 times s minus 6 minus 106 over 15 times s minus 3 minus 1 over 10 times s plus 2 plus 3. Ayan, plus 3. So, tama. And for the last number naman, number 6 is, so yung gagamitin natin syntax dito sa number 6 is x1 equals to, or capital X1. Yan, is equals to, so ito, ang number 6 natin pala is determine the roots of the system of equations. So yan, again, for D1 or X1, ang given natin is dito is yung mga tong fraction on the left side of the screen, or left side of the equal sign. So again, by the matrix, so 8 space negative 2 space 3 space negative 4. So in your first column, semicolon, 3, 5, 1, negative 2 for your second row. Next, negative 4, 3, negative 6, and 1 for the third row. And for the last row is 3, negative 2, 1, and 4. Now, yung y1 naman is equals to the numbers to the right side of the equation. So, which is na yung ito, negative 10, 14, negative 4, and 8. So, ayun. Oh, I forgot. Kaya, kulang pa pala. So, kulang tayo ng roots is equals to L in solve of x1 and y1 para makuha yung roots. Yan. Nakuha natin yung roots, which is for x1 is 0.018198, x2 is equals to 3.4077, x3 is equals to 2.8533, and x4 is 2.9757. So yun, that's all. And lastly, my conclusion for this experiment. That's all, and thank you.